Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study how to present this geometry in AutoCAD. So as usual, before we start with the geometry, we'll spend some time in analyzing this geometry and trying to see how we'll proceed with the drafting. So after analyzing this drawing carefully, I feel that the best starting point would be the midpoint of this circle. So we'll begin by drawing this circle of 30 dia. Then we'll draw this circle of 28 dia. Then we'll draw one line extending from the midpoint of this circle to the right 52 units, and then we'll create another line moving downwards 34 units, and with the end point of that line as the midpoint of the circle, we'll draw this circle of 22 dia and this circle of 22 radius. Then we have to draw this rectangle. Now remember, the edge of this rectangle is at 80 units from the center point of this circle. So what we'll first do, anywhere in your drawing, we'll draw a rectangle of 88 units by 15 units and then move it clicking on this center point, and from this point we'll move it downwards to a distance of 80 units. So it will come over here, and then we'll move it to the right at a distance of 30 units. Then we have to draw a circle of 10 radius anywhere in your drawing, and then move that point at a distance of 30 units from this edge. So we'll click on the quadrantial point of the circle and move it from here to the left 30 units. Then we'll draw one tangential line from here to here and trim off the unwanted part. Same way over here we'll fillet with a 20 radius, and here we'll use the tangent radius command and we'll get this arc. But before drawing this arc, we have to draw a circle of 20 radius and move it to a quadrantial point over here, and then use the tangent radius command to create this arc of 60 units, and then erase the unwanted part of the circle. Then we'll select the entire geometry, increase the thickness, put the center marks, do the dimensioning, and our geometry would be complete. So let me show you how we'll proceed with the drafting. We'll first begin by drawing this inner circle, and this inner circle is of 30 dia. So we select circle, center diameter. I use this as a tracking point and I click somewhere over here and I give the diameter as 30 units and hit enter. Then I have to draw this circle of 28 radius with the same center point. So I'll select circle, center radius, same center point, and radius is 28, and we hit enter. Then we'll draw one line which is of 52 units. So we'll extend it from the midpoint to the right 52 units and hit enter, and then downwards 34 units and hit enter. We press enter again to end the command. So we get this point, and from here we'll draw this circle of 22 dia. So we select circle, center diameter, click over here 22 dia and hit enter. And then we draw a circle of 22 radius. So center radius, same center point, and radius is 22, and we hit enter. Now we no longer need the referential lines, so we select the referential lines and delete. We fillet this portion, so we type fillet, hit enter, R for radius, 20, and we click over here and we click over here. So we get this filleted portion. Now we have to draw the rectangle at the bottom. So we'll begin by drawing this rectangle of 88 units by 15 units. We select the rectangle command and click anywhere, and we say 88 units. Then we press a tab and type 15 units and hit enter. Now we type the move command and hit enter. Select the object to move, click anywhere on this object, hit enter. Now specify the base point of displacement. We click over here, and when it asks us for the second point, we press Ctrl and right arrow, and we select from, and we click over here, and then from that point we move downwards and we give the distance as 80 units. And you can double check by selecting linear dimensioning. From here to here, you can see it's perfectly 80 units. Now we'll move this 30 units to the right. So we type move, we click over here, we click on this endpoint and move it to the right 30 units. Now we draw a circle of 10 radius. So circle, center radius, click anywhere and give the radius as 10 and hit enter. And then we have to move this 30 units to the right. So we select move, we click on the object to move is this, specify the base point, we click over here, and second point we will turn the ortho off and we'll press Ctrl and right arrow, and we'll select from, and we'll click over here, and then from that point we move to the left at a distance of 30 units and hit enter. So from this to quadrantial to this, it is 30 units. You can check it. From this point to a point which is quadrantial to this, you can see it's perfectly 30 units. Now we have to draw one line tangential to tangential. We'll select line and we'll say tangential to this circle and tangential to this circle, and we'll hit enter. Then we have to draw this particular arc over here. So we'll draw a circle of 20 radius. So we'll select circle, center radius, click anywhere and give the radius as 20 and move the circle. Click on the quadrantial point of this circle and click on the rectangle like this. Now we'll use the tangent radius command of the circle. We'll select tangential to this, and radius is 60 units. Then we trim the unwanted part of the circle. We don't need this, and we don't need this. Also, we don't need this. And same way over here, we don't need this portion. We don't need this. We don't need this. And we also don't need this. So our basic geometry is complete. So now we'll press escape and we'll select the entire geometry and click on properties and change the line thickness to 0.30. Press escape. Then we press CM for center mark and we click here and we click here. Then we select both the center marks and we change the color of the center marks to red, and then we press escape. Now we are done with our geometry. Let's proceed with the dimensioning. So we select linear dimensioning, we click over here, we click over here, and the distance is 52 units. Then we again select linear dimensioning, we click over here and we click over here, and the distance is 30 units. Again, we have to find out this distance also. So we select linear dimensioning. From here to here, distance is 34 units. Again, linear dimensioning. From here to here, it is 80 units. Then we go for radius dimensioning. Click over here, it is 20. Diametric dimensioning, click on this inner circle, 22. Radius dimensioning, click over here, 22. Now we have to find this distance. Linear dimensioning, from this point to this point, 30 units. Then we select radius dimensioning, click over here, and it is 10 units. Then again we go for linear dimensioning. From here to here, it is 88. Again, linear dimensioning. From here to here, it is 15. Again, radius dimensioning. We click over here, it is 20. Again, radius dimensioning. Click over here, it is 60. Again, diametric dimensioning. Click over here, it is 30. Again, radius dimensioning. Click over here, it is 28. And our geometry is complete. So friends, in this video tutorial, we have seen how to make this beautiful geometry in AutoCAD. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.